get paid to walk, who want to get paid to walk, all you gotta do is download this app, and then you get paid to walk. You get paid to work out. You get paid to move. This is how you get paid. You can only get paid two ways. They'll have an offer. Let me show you this. So you do this little daily thing, and you get more SWC. Sweat coins is what that stands for. That's the more to add on to two ways you get paid. You only get paid two ways. I don't have to explain this app to the T, meaning so long, but it's just what I'm focusing on. So you get paid two ways right here, and then it's a third way. The third way is not on here. They normally have every now and then a deal, and literally sometimes they have, if you bring this many people in for $400, $500, maybe $100. I'm going up and down because I'm trying to see what I saw in the past. And then at the same time, you will have sometimes 1,000. I remember like last month or two, they had somewhere you got like so many people you bring in for 1,000. Well, actually, you don't have to bring people in. I'm sorry. Let me scratch that. For the one I'm explaining now, not these two. The one I'm explaining now, you don't have to bring people in. What you need to do is have so many points or swag bucks. So I think for the 1,000, you needed like 1,000,000 swag. I was finna say swag. I just made a video, so go watch that video. I had that link below the description. I just made a video about swag bucks. But if you go, let me go show you. So if you go here, so let's say if I had 1,000,000 sweat coins, not swag bucks. I had that link below the description. And these is only for people in the States and maybe think Canada. So the point I'm making is, if you had 1,000,000, you can go ahead and pull out whatever the amount is. So if it's 400, you can pull that out. If it's 1,000, you can pull out the 1,000,000 or something like that. I mean, you can use the 1,000,000 sweat coins for that. It's not always around. It's rare. Or every once in a while. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what that was, but I turned that off. But back to the point. So let me explain that again. So the third way is to get paid is to always try to build up and have as many swag bucks. I keep saying swag bucks. I had that link, and I actually had that video below the description. You have sweat coins. So like I said, if you have $400 you need to get, or you can pull out, you need probably like 40,000 sweat coins. I don't know, but you just need that certain amount to get that 1,000 or whatever it is. If you guys don't understand, just Gmail me ASAP, please, and I'll let you know. But these are the main ways. $6 over and over again for 12 people. So if you invite 12 people now, and then you keep doing that and keep doing that, you'll get, multiple. And then the same for bringing 40, referrals for 20. That's every time, multiple times. So it could be done. You just gotta want it. I mean, that's really it, guys. Ain't nothing else to explain. I mean, if you want these, so for 17 sweat coin, 17,999. Like, I wouldn't want to do that. That's you guys. Even if everything was, I wouldn't do it. I just want the PayPal cash. I mean, that's free. I wouldn't do it. I really don't care. And then you can click that, but I ain't gonna do it right now. But yeah, let me explain again. Like I said, so they got three ways to get paid. These are two ways. These are the main two ways. And then, like I said, they might have something right here saying like 1,000 for like, you could put, like if you got see how you got 17,000 points. I mean, sweat coins you need. I don't even have that. Like, let me go here. I got 244 sweat coins. So I don't even have enough for half of that stuff. Well, I got enough for that and this, but I don't want that, right? You might want it, I don't. So that's the point I'm making. So it'll be somewhere around in here saying like 1,000 for like 1,000,000 swag coins. I'm not trying to say swag, but I said it, But I have both links below the description, and I have the video below the description too. So come join. Like I said, you get paid to walk, get paid to work out in your homes. So why wouldn't you want to do that? You could be doing that, doing like P90X or whatever that stuff is. The workout plans, the insanities and stuff. You know what I'm saying? It's people that, working out in their cribs every day. So it's people that's moving around every day, right? Even if you just go, to the bathroom or cook or something, you're moving around. So why not make bread? Come join. I have a link below the description. Both of them in the videos. So come join.